In this next recording, we're going to be taking a look at the menu tab of your merchant portal. So from menu, there's a drop down where you're going to see two different tabs. Menu Manager is going to be where you can adjust and own your menu for your store. At the very top here, there will be a drop down. So if maybe you have multiple menus, say a breakfast, lunch, or dinner menu, this is how you would be able to navigate and switch through those menus. But from here, the important call out is the pricing. If you are on, say, tablet where you receive your orders via DoorDash tablet or a tablet you own, you can update the prices here. If you are integrated with a point of sale system through DoorDash, any price changes you make through the merchant portal will automatically revert the following day back to the prices that are set in your POS. So if you ever do need to make a price update and you are integrated in a point of sale system, just make sure you're updating the prices through your merchant portal and then notifying our support teams just to ensure that we make sure that we ingest a new menu to reflect the correct new pricing on our platform. But from here, you'll be able to go navigate your menu, update items, whether it be in stock, out of stock. You can set the out of stock for more than just one day. There's different selections from here. Additionally, there are pencil icons. So if you click this pencil, you'll get a new window at the right that expands, that gives a little more information. It'll show the photo, which you are able to replace if you have updated new photos and added them and they were approved. Additionally, to the important call out here is item tax rate. So this is in the event. Sometimes it's very common to see, for example, water bottles are taxed at like 0% for specific states or cities. You will be able to make the adjustment here as long as you are not within a state where DoorDash offers Marketplace Facilitator, essentially where DoorDash collects and remits sales tax on your behalf. If we do not collect and remit sales tax on your behalf, you will have the ability here to update the sales tax rate. If you are in a state where DoorDash collects and remits tax, you will not have this ability. But after you make any changes, you can always click Save Changes at the very bottom here. For this, we will not update it. And then, of course, you have all of your different options from categories as well. If you want to add alcohol or anything like that, there is a Learn More center here. Additionally, too, there are selections up here to preview your menu or menu settings. Menu settings is just allowing you to rearrange categories, view stores that it's linked to. You can rename the menu, or you can even edit the menu hours from here. The other tab to look at under menu is going to be pricing. Pricing is essentially going to be a markup tool. We understand that sometimes you want to offset the commission rates by updating your menu prices by increasing the pricing compared to what's offered in store. The important note is to remember that you can only update and inflate prices for delivery. For pickup, if you offer pickup at store, the prices do have to reflect the same as they are offered in store, just to ensure that customers are not upset when they walk into the store and maybe see that the price is different in store than what they paid through DoorDash. But from here, you can adjust the delivery menu items by using a bar tool. Of course, right now it doesn't work for this test store, but you can adjust and make the markup and it'll show what your current markup rate is set at. But yeah, moving forward in the next screen recording, we're going to take a look at the store availability tab.